Now let's go to our players.
Sure.
You've been a grounding whether uyodlala or awuyanga ukuyodlala.
Sure.
And then
Sure.
uscout player or scout ama player. Ngicela unimentionele ku top 5.
Sure.
Ngawaphi ama best players owayaziyo so far and that you would like bangaba udlale now.
Oh, meaning as ngingawisho ukuba angadlalela mina.
Yeah, angadlalela wena ene even just nje ba okay iplay so whether lingandlalela or angeke lindlalele, but I know bangaba this player you'll never go wrong.
Around nje ema tournamentini I've watched lama tournament kakhulu even this year.
Yeah,
I'll start there at the top, even though abantu babeke kanjani, but those 5 players, there is a boy odlalela Pirates Pirates MEDDC udlalela iCatoras Juventus team ka coach 2 minutes, and then Kotluku mention on my top list yama coaches around 2 minutes.
Okay.
From Katleong. Yes, the guy, he knows his story for 2 minutes. He knows his story. When it comes to coaching,
yes,
I remember on December badlala final team yakhe against uMev Wesnake. They were in final ka December.
Okay.
For those 2 coaches. That one is
who won?
2 minutes where Catoras Juventus won like Snake.
Okay.
If you remember, we attended that game in January, so too. The final is Huddersfield.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that guy is very good. So kunentwana emdlalelayo.
And kwakuyi game.
It was nice game kwakuzintwana. Ngiyathola umlibele kumention. Khona intwana emdlalela inqobo number 10 kuthiwa nguPhopho. Yes. The boy even ngane intwana enje. Yes. He knows when to dribble. He knows when to attack.
Okay.
You can understand. So I will never leave that boy out. Then there is always a space in football for Usfiso Umporo.
Okay.
Poro knows football. At any day, when I were to call the best 5 players, Umporo will make the list.
Yeah, okay.
Then there is Tabang Mukwena, 50. The boy will understand the ball. We'll understand him we'll understand on the field. Magmela yenze lento. You understand?
Yeah.
Who else? I don't know much. Intwana's got 2 minutes, but I've picked up that boy. Upop is uyahlanganisa la team. Then when I leave Ekasi, Kwisnake, there is a boy ekuthiwa nguSoja. Dlala emuva.
Okay.
Yo, he's quality. Quality player, that one. You know how to identify quality player? It's someone who became idlala.
Yeah.
I'm coach a lot. Because he's doing lento we expect buzoyenza. That's quality.
That's quality. Okay.
You know, when I'm coaching, when I'm having 50 at team, if you see me in the coach or in the busy grounding, we're just maneuvering a plan. Hey, sense njani ubonani? We understand. It's not a matter of hey, yenza 1 or 2. We are just planning now for the whole team with Yena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
So that boy, Usoja, I see he play linjalo in him. He's very good. I've never coached him. I've never talked to him. From a distance. Okay. He's very, very, very good. Then my last player around, who is it? I'm trying to look for a goalkeeper that I think is the best. But for now, I don't really see a keeper ending in my top 5. Ogbana, this one really, 100%, he's doing his things. But the 4 players I've mentioned, super quality order.
You just said the goalkeeper wako sekayawa at least sekayawa bamba penalty.
Sure.
So if ever you can actually be counted amongst our goalkeeper about bamba penalties, you good. Let's give him that.
No. Let's give him that chance because Jomas is chill.
Yeah.
Each and every penalty unai penalty
Yeah.
As a goalkeeper, once you are good in that.
I can't you. So I vote for you.